Hello, YouTubers. My name is Miranda. I'm just on here to record a small little haul I got from SamsBeauty.com. I picked up these total of, how many items do I have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 items. And I picked up these 12 items for $41.03. Everything was a buy one, get one free deal, and as you can see on my receipt, it came up to $41.93 from SamsBeauty.com. I learned about this website from Gigs. She has a website on here. She has some great videos. But I got the Bump It Hot Bump Yaki number 8. I got this. It was buy one get one free. As you can see, I got the Human Hair Save Me Tangle Free Supernatural. It's going to be a cute hairstyle on their website. You can see the website. It's a cute hairstyle. I have 2 of those. I have the thread. Thread was $1. Buy one get one free. The needles was also. And then I got the satin wraps you can tie your hair up with. I got 2 of those. They were $2.99, and buy one get one free. It's basically like $1.50 each. And then the wig caps are $1, so I brought 2 packs of those. So I have 4 wig caps. 4 different hairstyles I can do. 4 different hairstyles I can do over the summer, and I got the wig caps and everything. Everything was $42. That's a good price for these items, because when I go inside the store, this Bump It is about, I think it's about $20 inside the beauty supply that I went to. So for me to get this Bump It for, I got the Bump It for $15.99. But when you get 2, so it's basically like I only spent $8 a pack. So that was really good. So if you guys have time, check out SamsBeauty.com. And this is what they have. This is my like second or third time ordering something from them, but I've never ordered this much. So I'm gonna be ordering from them. They have a lot of buy one get one sales for this summer. So you guys check them out at SamsBeauty.com. Thank you. Have a good day.